Hey everyone, today I'm in my kitchen, so I'm going to show you something which I am going to make as my face scrub. As I am simplifying my life and I'm going towards chemical free life, I'm preparing this face scrub at home. I used to do this when I was young. Later, when I had major acne issues, I had to use chemical treatments on my face. So I used to have face wash and face creams, and there are so many things for my acne. Now that I've changed my lifestyle, I've changed my diet and everything, I'm having less acne issues. As you can see, there are one or two pimples here and there, marks here and there, but I understood that the marks will take time to go away, so I am making peace with it. But to avoid all the chemical face washes and creams, medicines and everything, I'm going back to my homemade face scrub. I've prepared this and tried this after many years, and it really works well and it cleans my skin so well. There is no oil or nothing, it's smooth and neat. I'm preparing the second batch of this face wash plus scrub. I thought I'll show you guys how I am going to make it, so it'll be useful for you also. So let's get started. Let me show you the materials. Generally, these can be made from the lentils and dals which you have at home, but I generally go with the easier ways. And by the way, the quantities depends on your choice. Rice is a good scrub. I used to use it directly without mixing anything. Can be added as much as you want. Basin generally is good without mixing anything. Also, you can use basin directly and wash your face and body. So even if it is more in your mixture, that's fine. I don't find this moong dal ka flour, green gram. So I just roast it very lightly on the stove, and then I powder this. I just picked 3 fistful of moong and roasted it. This is also again can be used individually without mixing anything. I dry neem leaves and make it into powder and store it. So I'll be adding this also to the mixture. Based on the whole mixture, you just add as much you feel like. Because this is again medicinal, you can add as little or as more as you want. Sandalwood powder as much as you want because it gives nice smell to it. I generally like the smell of it, so I use the full dabba. This kasturi turmeric does not leave the color on your skin, but to be on the safer side, I use less of it, but this is needed because it is antibiotic and it helps clear out all the acne and everything. I take multani mitti from the shop, which has multiple packets of multani mitti. I generally use only one packet. All the materials that I have shown you right now are very beneficial to our skin. So I'll write 1 or 2 lines about each material in the description box. If you are curious to know what are the benefits, you can go and read that. Right now I have to powder this first and then mix all the ingredients. I don't make it too soft powdery, so it will scrub the skin well. is for my future storage. This one is for my bathroom, and this one is for Kiara. That's how I prepare my multi-purpose cleansing powder. You can use this as bathing powder, face wash or face pack. You can just add some plain water or rose water or lemon juice. Just get creative, use all those things together and use it on your body, and it cleans so well. You have to trust me on that. And all the ingredients are so easy to find. You just have to go to supermarket and buy them all, except that moong dal powder that you need to make at home. You can even avoid that ingredient if you don't have much time. All the other things are just powders. You just put them all together. It is ready. This is one of the useful thing which I am creating for myself, so I wanted to show you guys. I'm working on creating a handmade soap which can be used from head to toe. So if you are not following me, just go hit the subscribe button and follow me there, and on Instagram too, where I'll be showing more of my life. See you in the next video. Bye.